In the previous lecture, I showed you how to bulk upload tweets using Hootsuite. And when I entered in the day and the time, I manually keyed in the numbers. Now, if you're scheduling tweets a month, if not 3 months into the future, this would be extremely tedious and time consuming. So I'm going to show you how to write a date and time function in Excel, or if you're using Google Sheets. So let's go ahead and delete the date and time. We're going to expand our cells. All right, and remember, Hootsuite only looks at columns A, B, and C when pulling information. So in columns D and E, we can do whatever we want. So I'm going to start by writing a date function. So we're going to do equals date, bracket. The year is 2015. The month is October. The date is 1. Awesome. Now we're going to do a time function. Same thing. Equals time, bracket, hour, noon, minute, 0, second, 0, bracket. Now the time is going to stay the same. So we can simply do equals time, hour, E1, minute, E1, second, E1. And all it's going to do is 12 again. It's going to be pulling information from the first column, or from the first row of column E. So since there are, let's see, 31 days in October, we're going to go ahead and drag and copy this formula down to the 31st column. Awesome. Now we're going to do something similar for the date, except we need the date to increase by 1 day for each column. So that's not too difficult. So we're going to do equals date. We're going to enter in year, and then D1. We're going to enter in month, D1, and then we're going to enter in day, D1, bracket, plus 1, another bracket. So Google Sheets will show you exactly what your formula is going to spit out, and it's going to spit out October 2nd, 2015, and that's exactly what we want. So we're going to hit enter, and we're going to hit the bottom right corner of the cell and drag this down to row 31. Awesome. So now we have dates from the October 1st to October 31st. Now to get the proper information that we need for Hootsuite's formatting, all we do is equals D1 plus E1. And there it is. Now we're going to click and drag this down as well to 31. So now we're all set up for 31 tweets in the month of October. But since I'm only uploading 3 for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and delete columns or rows 4 through 31. All right, now I'm going to hit download as CSV file. Go to Hootsuite. I'm going to delete these messages. Go to Publisher, bulk message upload, choose file, submit. Successfully scheduled 3 messages. So let's go home and see if everything looks correct. So we have August 1st at noon, October 1st at noon, October 2nd at noon, and October 3rd at noon. So we're all set. Now once you set this up, you can even use this as a you can use this as a template for future uploads. So the only thing you have to do is you go in, so if we're going to go November. We'll go 11/1. You see, it'll change the corresponding dates will be for the next month.